Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Redkey Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum for Ground Pool, Automatic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: cordless safe cleaning. The robotic pool cleaner is cordless design and built-in 5200 mAh ultra-long battery life, which no more give you messy cables. Ensures quick cleaning and also get rid of the risk of accidental electrocution from a cord. Just turn on the power of the cordless robot pool cleaner with one click, dip it into the pool, and automatically start cleaning the entire pool area quickly. High performance. Equipped with 28-watt motors provide powerful suction, and the moving speed can be reached to 56 feet per minute and easily dive into 3 meters of water for deep cleaning. This pool cleaner can clean leaves, particles, coarse sand and paper scraps. It has the best effect on granular garbage. Smart self-parking tech. Our pool vacuum robot will automatically park near the edge of your pool when the battery is low, or it has completed a cleaning cycle and the filtration system is jam and need to cleaned. You just use the hook to easy take it out of the pool without getting wet. Easy to use. Automatic robot pool cleaner is a new type of rechargeable automatic cleaner, which can filter the water without replacing the pool water. One-click start can make your swimming pool look new without extra operation. Work up to 120 minutes after one full charged. Make your life happier. Supported pool types. Perfect for round, oval, irregular, rectangular pools, and the water depth is not more than 3 meters. The pool cleaner is only suitable for sizes up to 1000 square feet, 100 square meter, the swimming pool, otherwise it will be affected. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.